Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video of Lemlist I'm going to show you how to create campaigns and further continue in our Lemlist guide. So first of all, in the previous videos we created an account and step by step tuned it, and at the moment we want to create ourselves a campaign. We tried to create it in previous videos by going step by step, and basically we created this AI automated let's call it campaign, but it got stuck in creating your campaign automatically. We went back and forth to check where was the problem. We haven't found one, so we are slowly progressing, and we need to create it manually. So we want to go back, click this automation one, and we can create it manually. So what does it take to create an automated option? Let me just verify the email. So this get it email verified back to Lemlist. Okay, here we are, and click on campaign. Maybe we fixed the problem with generating our own personal campaign. Okay, let's go with and each generation will use 50 tokens. Okay, so we maybe depleted our tokens because you only get 200. So generate your campaign. This we got stuck on this response on creating a campaign automatically. So we maybe need to wait a bit to actually get the response, or if you have time for waiting, maybe you will never reach the time where you actually waited till it really created the campaign for you. So we are going to create it manually. So create manually. Build my campaign manually. It's a send automatic email, LinkedIn message, invite only, visit profile, call, and we want to go with the email. So this is a basic builder that we found out at Snow.io, for example, and we need to... What is hell is this? Yeah, my neighbor is working bee. So first one is email. Email sender. I'm gonna be the one who sends the email. Subject of the email, let's go with unique opportunity, and write your content. There are a couple of things that we need to really watch out for. For example, if you can add files into your email without purchasing a premium version of a product. So, hello, my name is Matthew, and you can imagine the rest. And okay, add personalization, ask AI, more paragraph, and also insert link. What can we else? Upload file and drop the file. Let's go and, for example, let's put some kind of file into it. Let's go with this logo, and there is okay, but you have to personalize it. We can preview the email, but this is very weird. Yeah, this is unique opportunity. This is very weird because these onboarding steps. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Onboarding experience. Well, I'm gonna give you 3 because this is just really not really feeling it with Lemlist so far. Since it failed us with creating our campaign, I waited literally for 20 or 30 minutes and nothing happened. That is really weird. And yeah, we had to wait for a couple of minutes and still nothing. So we are creating it manually. That's why we are creating it. So next step is a lead list. Import from LinkedIn, CSV, Zapier, API, CRM, export existing campaign, and many more. Import emails manually, so type or paste email addresses. Let's go like this. We can go with another one. Obviously, this is not the ideal way how to use this email campaign, because you really want to import CSV into it. It's free on this website. In Hunter.io or Snow.io, if you want to import your CSV files with all the contacts, you need to upgrade the version. Here, you just copy paste them manually. So only this campaign, okay, smart enrichment, or no enrichment. I'm gonna go like this. Those are not verified yet. And we can import the new leads, generate all icebreakers and many more. Next step is a review and launch. So we're gonna use it like this. Preview one lead. All leads are reviewed. Okay. And we should be review all. Yes. And we are where we needed to be to start with our campaign. Obviously, I chose the email that I created this one from. So that's gonna be a little problem, but never mind, guys. You can also see there they got beautiful filters, and we can easily add. You see, this is the campaign that we created. We can get rid of all the not really doable campaigns since they are not finished, because the AI couldn't finish them for some reason. On the left side, we have a report with overview, campaigns, activities, and hailed, templates. And what is really bugging me for some reason is this dark mode. And I'm gonna try to change it, because it's not really what you want in the sunny day like this. Yeah, we should really push it through. So this is our Lemlist. So far it's beautiful. Follow us for more videos about Lemlist. They are definitely coming. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one, and hopefully they will fix the new automated campaign with artificial intelligence, so we can finally finish it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you at the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.